Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to change currency in Emirates website. So it will be a quick and step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, we are already in Emirates.com where we can easily book a flight. So in here we are going to search destiny, that will be Milan, Italy, and our date will be 16 June and our return will be 20, and I'm going to choose the class that will be first class and adult will be 1. So let's search the flight. Once I click over here search flight, it will take a while to reload, and now you can see it is in Bangla Taka. This is a Bangladeshi currency. So if I want to change it into dollars, just go over here in the top, and here you need to be click over here and choose your popular currency which you want to see. Like I want to see it in United dollars, so I will click over here United dollar, and now you can see the approx is 600 or 605.5 USD dollar. If you see it furthermore, then you are allowed to check this out perfectly over that place. Here you can see you only have the option to see it in here. If I go over here and select one, then go into this place, you are allowed to see it, the approx measurement. So I hope this video was helpful, and this quick tutorial will be helpful in near future for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.